Hi guys, so I've just made a, using the same app, that Bluetooth Electronics, but I've just made up a little thingy so I can monitor my plants. I've got two plants in the window. One I've watered properly and the other one I've overwatered on purpose, just to show that it lights up. So these LEDs will light up on here, or indicators, and obviously you've got a bar graph here, plus you've got the value here it's reading as well, between 0 and 15, that one's reading 10, that one's reading 8. Obviously this is just the same at the bottom here. I've also added a water function, so when it gets to basically about 3 or dry, if I turn this on it'll automatically water, which I haven't actually set up yet. I've just got LEDs on at the moment to simulate the same thing, but that seems to be working fine. So yeah, show you the plants. There's the Arduino. There's the little sensors, these are capacitive ones, where you can see it. Capacitive sensors. That's the Arduino and the Bluetooth. So if I turn the auto water on plant 1, which I've sent, then I'll just pull this out. Obviously stimulate it getting dry, that's when the pump would turn on, and obviously once it got to a certain point where it filled up, it would turn itself off. That's on number 1. You can see I've put that on there. Turn the auto water on. If I turn that off now, then obviously it won't work. The same as on number 2, I've got auto water on there, but I haven't actually, like I say, I haven't added the water pumps yet. It's just proof of concept. So yeah, that one's reading 6 at the moment. Probably hasn't got enough connection with the soil now. I've moved it about. Like I said, the other one's slightly overwatered. Not by much. I think a 9's ideal, 9 and below, between 9 and 4. That's what I've set it up for anyway. Obviously I can adjust them as I let the code run, see how the plant's doing. So yeah, just a little proof of concept there, what else you can do with this app, and obviously other sensors and things. If you want to see a video on how to actually make this yourself, and the code and things like that, just leave a comment below. If I get enough likes, say if we get 100 likes, I'll do a video on how to actually do this yourself, set it up. So thanks for watching, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.